Yeah, hello, welcome guys. In this video, we are going to talk about TCS off-campus hiring process, TCS off-campus hiring details, TCS off-campus hiring updates. So be continue with us. In this video, we will talk about the date when they will publish interview result. So before going to a start, I request you to, if like when you have completed your TCS HR interview, or you have completed your MR interview, or you have completed your technical interview, whatever interview you have completed, just comment below when you have completed interview. There are too many students who have completed their interview in first week of November. There are too many students who have completed their interview, technical HR interview in last week of this November. Even there are too many who have completed on 25th of November. So when you have completed your interview, just comment below. So when result will be declared? So the pattern, hiring pattern or recruitment pattern of TCS, they never mention that when they will publish result for any assessment, even for assessment result, for interview result, technical or HR, they never mention any details of that. How you will get to know that? If you are coming from college and then you have applied, you can ask with your placement mentor. They have idea, they can share you when they will publish result, because college placement mentor is directly connected with the hiring manager of TCS. In TCS, there are too many hiring managers, and every hiring managers are allocated to different colleges. So if you are from college, then you can contact with them. If you are not from college and you are applying, it means that you are passed out and you are applying from NQT or TCS ION. So just you need to wait. When you will get result, you will get to know email. So TCS is going to send email for selection. It means that for congratulation email, and if you are not going to select and you are rejected, you will get email related to regarding email. So TCS said that regret to inform you that you are not going to further for next round. So that kinds of email you will receive if you are not selected, and if you are selected, you will receive congratulation email. Then after, you need to submit document, they will send you offer letter on. That will be the next process. So whatever query you have, you can comment below. I have given email address in that poster. You can see foxtechacademy@gmail.com. You have attended an interview and want to share your interview experiences and want that we will create video and we will show that video using this YouTube channel. So what you need to do is that you need to mention your name, you need to mention your branch, you need to mention your passing year, you need to mention your contact number, so that if we want to contact with you or want to ask anything, we can contact with you. And then you can mention your experiences. You can mention your experiences starting from registration, assessment, interview, technical interview or HR interview. And don't forget to mention your photograph, so that we can publish videos with your photos, so that other student can say that, see that, yeah, this student have done interview and this is the interview experiences of that this interview, this student. So we will meet in next video. Before going to end, I have one more request from you. So don't forget to like this video and please subscribe this channel. And if you will see, in our channel we have started membership. So that you can be a special member of our Fox Tech Academy community. So for being a member of this Fox Tech Academy, what you need to do is that you need to contribute us. You need to we need a little contribution from us. So you need to click on this join button. You can select any tab, whatever you want to contribute, whatever tab you want to select. Just select that tab and click on this join button and support us. We require your support. Without your support, it's not possible to reach here. We are here at that position because of you, because of your support. So thank you so much for your contribution, and please like this video, subscribe this channel, and if you want to be a member, please click on join button, be a member, be a Fox Tech Academy community. Let's meet in next video. Thank you so much.